Christians around the world observe Good Friday today. It is the holy day that remembers the death of Jesus Christ on the cross. People attend church, pray, and reflect in silence. In Goa and other parts of India, many join special services and processions. Faithful attend church services and observe the day with fasting and penance. Good Friday serves as a reminder of hope and salvation of Christians around the world as they prepare for the joyous celebration of Easter.
जेजूच्या कोश्टा मोडनाचो सुकरार जेजूचे कोश्ट पडून कुस्ताद हातकाची बिकोटाय दिश्टी पडटा आनी तेच बरोबर देवाची काकूट देवाचो मोग दिश्टी पडटा आनी आयचे रितीन बरे भाशेन वांटो घेतलो जाल्यार आमचे पातोक आमी सोडूंकूच जाय आनी देवाच्या मोगान पडूंक जाय. जेजूच्या कोश्टा मोडनाचो सुकरार बरे भाशेन सारूंक वावरलो.